Hello, my name is Alana F. Cometa and I am from the Philippines. I am applying for the front office training program with your company. My result start date to begin will be as soon as possible. I am interested in this program because I want to learn about the American culture and also to enhance my skills in communicating people with different languages. To tell you a little bit about myself, I had undergone my first on-the-job training at Bamboo Beach Resort at Boracay Island as a housekeeper and F&B server last summer of 2010 when I was in my second year college, and also last November 2011 to February 2012, I had my 600 hours on-the-job training at East View Hotel in Bacolod City as a housekeeper. I enrolled my baccalaureate degree on hotel and restaurant management because this is the only way to improve my self-confidence. It's because it's more on focusing on entertaining people. In terms of characters, I can assure that I am diligent, flexible, honest, very teachable, and serious to work in every endeavor. I can also guarantee you that I would be responsible and committed to every task that you will be assigned to me. I truly appreciate this opportunity to introduce myself and to apply this training program with your company. Thank you for your time and consideration.